Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about NAATI CCL exam, as many Sri Lankan PR applicants had asked about it. So remember one thing, location doesn't matter for NAATI exam anymore. You can do it by being at your own location. So you don't have to go to an exam center as such. So with that, let's turn to today's topic of mastering NAATI CCL Sinhala exam and the key strategies. In this video, we'll walk you through the details of the exam and share effective strategies to help you succeed the exam. The NAATI Credentialed Community Language Exam or CCL exam tests your ability to interpret between English and Sinhala in real-life community settings. It is a crucial test for those speaking or those seeking to gain extra points for their Australian visa application. The exam consists of 2 dialogues, each around 300 words long, split into 14 segments. You'll listen to a segment in one language, then interpret into the other language. Accuracy, fluency, and your ability to convey the speaker's intent or the key message are key to passing this exam. Okay, let's look at what are the key competencies that are assessed. Language proficiency, interpreting skills, cultural competence, memory and note-taking. You will be tested on several competencies, including your proficiency in both English and Sinhala, your ability to interpret accurately, and your cultural competence. Remember, it is not just about translating words, but conveying the right meaning and the context. First, practice is key. Regularly expose yourself to both Sinhala and English contexts. Practice the exam type questions, exam type dialogues, so that you are better prepared. It is important that you master the note-taking ability, because in this exam there are certain dialogues where the content is like 28 to 30 words or 32, it can go up to. So in these scenarios you will not be able to memorize everything, so hence it is important that you practice note-taking as a skill. Lastly, review your performance regularly. Record your practice sessions, listen back to them, and identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistency is the key. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. And don't forget to believe in yourself. Passing NAATI CCL exam is within your reach. With the right preparation and right mindset, you should be able to get this done.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for more in-depth training, join us at Synergy PTE Academy for NAATI and PTE, where we offer comprehensive courses to help you excel in both NAATI and PTE exams. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.